Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make gonde butter with butter and gonde. So I'm going to show you guys how to make it. It's going to be lots of fun. I'm going to take the paper off, get a knife. So, I'm going to do them in sticks. So, cut that, just do them in. Small pot. I'm gonna turn it on. Because we've got a gas. Got it on. I'm gonna put the butter. So get the butter melting. Then I'm gonna get a spoon in. It's starting to melt already. And just stirring it. And then I'm gonna see to find how the gonde. I'm gonna whisk it. Finish. Thank you for watching my video how to make gonde butter. If you guys like the recipe, I'll link down my description down below. Click the subscribe button and push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Thank you for watching. Ronnie is out. Bye.